Hi everybody, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Happy Memorial Day for those of you in the US of A. Today's Sunday. Tomorrow's Memorial Day. I'm in Delaware and it is freezing cold. Well, it's in the 60s today, but it's chilly for us for Memorial Day, and it's been cloudy and rainy all weekend. It's been a pretty crappy beginning of summer for us. But it's weird because we had 100-degree temperatures last week. It was 100 degrees. Anyway, I'm just jumping on real quick. It's been a very crafty weekend for me. I've been printing a lot and cutting a lot. As you can see, I have all this stuff that I've been cutting and just having a grand old time playing in my craft room because I can't do anything outside because it's too dang cold. I actually have my little space heater on. I have long John long sleeves on. I have heavy duty sweatpants on. That's how cold it is, but I'm always cold, so that doesn't really matter much. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Please make sure you subscribe. If you're a veteran, hi, welcome back. I just came on real quick because I wanted to show you guys. I've been doing fussy cutting. I have George. I named him George. It's my brother Scan and Cut. Who does do some of the cutting for me, but if the edges like this, for instance, aren't defined on the actual sheet like this, if the edges are not really dark enough and George can't see it, then George will cut into it to where he can find the dark line with the brother Scan and Cut, or I could go through with a pencil and darken the edges. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I have to put it on black and white. But anyway, I gave George the weekend off. So, did I tell you I named him George? He didn't come with that name. He just looks like a George. Everybody looks like a George to me. Anyway, so I've been sitting here watching videos, not really in a crafty kind of mood, but this is part of crafting too. So I don't really have any creative inspiration juices flowing through me this weekend. Not yet, anyway. But I figured I might as well do some fussy cutting. So that's what I've been doing. This, I'm hoping George will cut. I think this one I'll have to darken a little bit. A couple of them I'll have to darken, but for the most part, I think George will be able to handle this one. So I'm going to put that aside. The reason I came on today, though, is to tell you, I've been cutting with these Fiskars. They're the self-retracting scissors. Working out okay. I use my Tim Holtz big ones for big straight on down. I use my little cutter bees for some of the little areas, and then I use these if my hand's just getting cramped. Well, people have been telling me I have to go for the Tim Holtz Ionic Mini Recoil Snips. They just came. Amazon guy just delivered. I haven't even opened them yet. I literally just went downstairs, got them. I was talking to crafty friend Wanda for a little bit this morning or this afternoon. And then I went downstairs to get a snack, and I looked out the door, and there they were sitting on the ground. So I was like, oh, yes, please. So we're going to open them together and check them out. It comes with high tension spring. Choose the perfect tension for your grip. So it comes with one already in here. Spring tension scissors. Directions. Resistant to rust and corrosion. These are too. I honestly have not had a problem with these, but high durability titanium coated blades, comfort grip cushion handles. Recoil scissors designed to offer unparalleled control and ease of use. Supplied with 2 springs, providing a choice of tension group, a grip tension. Oh, Lord. I can see a spring flying across the room. Controlled cutting on all types of crafts. The enclosed product contains a sharp edge, used with care, not for children's use. Tim Holtz is a registered trademark of Tim Holtz LLC. Made in China. Okay. Probably the wrong use of these scissors, but okay. I love these. I have a smaller one of these too, the red ones, but I don't use them that often. The red handled ones. Anyway. Alrighty, so let's bring you in. And let's see. Take off the thing that I'm going to lose. Oh, it's super, super, super sharp. These are too, not as sharp. Let's do some comparisons. All right, these look as sharp as these, not so much this. Okay. Smell test smells like nothing. All right, it's got the little... Okay. I see how that works. See how that works? Cool. All right, that tension's not bad. I don't know what the other ones will be like, but let's try it out first. So I do usually use, for straight lines like this, I do usually use my paper trimmer, but it's too much of a pain in the arse to get it out right now. Let's just do this real quick. And I know this isn't technically fussy cutting, as it's pretty much straight lines, but it's the next one for us to do. So, ready? You watching? This tension's very loose. I don't hate them. Should we try the tension? This other spring? I mean, I like it. I don't want heavy tension, actually. I think I'm going to leave this alone. I'm going to just use this. What I did notice, these, when you cut, leaves a little bit of a, it has a little bit of a serrated edge. Can you guys even see that? It is a serrated edge. These are not serrated. They're just sharp, 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 sharp. Let me find a black piece of paper. Trying to get you guys to see. The serrated edge versus the not. So up here's serrated. You can actually hear it. This, smooth. Serrated, smooth. These scissors are well loved, obviously. I use them all the time. But they are serrated. Very slightly. They do put a little indent in your things. These are also serrated. I didn't think I was going to be doing a scissor comparison today. Anyway, these are not. That's great. Okay, now. These are not serrated either. The only difference, well, I do like the way this feels better in my hand. This, I have to keep my thumb on it, like a gun to cut. This is the whole thing. I do like that. This is a little tighter. I like the softness of this. So, versus these, which you have to manipulate. Boom. Just not that big a deal, but if you're going to do a lot like I've been doing all weekend, your hand does get fatigued a bit. I watched a video the other day. I can't remember who she was. If I can find it, I'll link it. She was talking about how to fussy cut properly, or how she fussy cuts. That makes more sense for her. She uses these scissors as well. She said when she fussy cuts, she does it on an angle. Did I cut all those already while talking? Wow, you guys are good company. Hold on, let's go. Let's do this again here. She said when she fussy cuts, she will. All right, Taco's going crazy because Miley's down there with Will doing whatever. She said when she fussy cuts, first of all, she moves the paper, not the scissors. So she's, all right, let's do this piece. She fussy cutting here, all right? She does all her lines first. She cuts on an angle. She turns the scissors, instead of up and down, she turns it this way so she can see the line. And then she turns the paper. Notice my hand is not moving. And she just manipulates the paper. All the way around. Moving the paper, not her hand. Ta-dum! All right, that went really well. These are a little tighter. I didn't realize that the spring would make a difference. It really does. Yeah, I didn't realize. That's why my thumb hurts. Oh. My thumb hurts right in here. From this all weekend. All right. Guys, winner chicken dinner. I thought I was gonna say I lost that already. These are very, very, very sharp. User beware. I will still use these. Will I use these? Probably not now. I don't know. I don't even know what I paid for these. These are old. Really old, you can say. They're still sharp as can be. I don't know what I paid for them way back when. What did I pay for these? It was Amazon. And I got them. I ordered them last night, and they actually came today. $7.99. I paid for them. It does have a video to show you how to change out your spring should you want to. This will get put in this top drawer. If I need it, I'll ask you guys another time for it. But that's where that's going, so I don't lose it. Anyway, that's that. That's my video. I just wanted to get on real quick and show you. Now I have a huge mess, and I have some things I'm doing aside from fussy cutting today. So I want to get back to it, but I just wanted to show you guys. Have fun. Recommend, yes. De-approved, yes. Does that matter? Probably not, but to me it does. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.